Hello my dear students. Today in this video we will read how to eradicate zero error and what is zero error and how to remove the zero error or correction of zero error. This is 9th class lesson 1's 6th video. I am Jyotiranjan Das. I am preparing this video to help you how to know the zero error of the vernier caliper and how to eradicate it. Okay. So in this connection we will know what is zero error of a device. Any device we use for measurement, it may consist of some manufacture defect or maybe mishandling. Defect comes due to the mishandling. This is called a vernier caliper. In this, when we mishandle this device, it may give us some wrong reading also. So instead of getting accurate reading, sometimes it may give us wrong reading. So first we should know whether our device is free from error or not. Okay. So to find out error within this device, what you need to do, you should bring both the jaw, that is both upper jaws or external jaws must be closer. Okay. When it is kept in this condition, you should find the main scale 0 and vernier 0, they should coincide. They should coincide in this position. Could you see in the diagram? Similarly, in this device also you can see, this is the main scale 0. Yes children, I am focusing. This is your main scale 0 and vernier scale's first line is coinciding. Okay. If that is the case, then your device is free from error. It do not contain any error, or you can say device is free from error. Okay. When you will know device is free from error, when the vernier 0, this one, coincide to the main 0, then we say our device is free from error. Okay children. So in the determination of error, zero error of the vernier caliper, these all things we need to do. Actually zero error is of two kind. Okay. The first kind is called the positive zero error and the second kind is called the negative zero error. And today we'll read both type of error and how to remove this error. Okay children. So you can see, if the vernier 0 lies to the right hand side of the main scale 0, this is main scale 0 and this is vernier 0. If it comes to the right hand side of the main scale 0, then the device is cause of positive zero error. Means if the main scale 0 and vernier 0 do not coincide, if the vernier scale 0 lies to the right hand side of the main scale, then we say our device is cause of positive zero error. Similarly, when our vernier 0 lies to the left hand side of the main scale 0, this is main scale 0, this is vernier 0, it lying to the left hand side, in that case we will say our device is cause of negative zero error. Hope you understanding. Look at this. When the 0, main scale 0 and vernier 0, when you keep this external jaws closer, they should coincide. If coinciding, no error. If the vernier 0 right to the right hand side, positive error. If the vernier 0 lies to the left hand side, negative zero error. In this picture I am showing you. You can see, if it lies to the right hand side, positive zero error. If it lies to the left hand side, negative zero error. If both are lies head on to each other, no error, free from error. Okay. Now, once you know that your device is cause of error, then you should have a correction method for it. What is the correction method for the error? Let us see here. In this case, you can find, once the vernier 0 is lying to the right hand side of the main scale, then the device is causing here positive error. Next step, to find out the error division. Look at that. These are the vernier scale divisions. You can find 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you can see the sixth division. Sixth division is coinciding to the main scale's one division. You have to check VC. After knowing there is an error, you should know what is the error division. Look at that. The sixth division is the error division. Its meaning is when you finding the error of your device, you should know VC here also. So here the VC is sixth division. Its meaning the sixth division of the vernier scale is coinciding to the main scale. So error will be 6. Look at that. Zero error will be 6 division. So only VC never gives you value. In my previous video I already said you. VC4 means what? VSR will be VC into LC. VC into 0.01 gives you 0.04. This is only division. When you want to convert into value, you have to multiply the least count. Similarly, here the error division is 6. But when you multiplying LC least count, that is 0.01, this is called error value. 0.06 centimeter is your positive error value. Similarly, when you go for the negative error value, its meaning is when the zero of the vernier scale lies to the right hand side of the main scale 0, then our device is affected of negative 0 error. How to eradicate now error? Now same procedure you have to follow. First you have to see the vernier coincidence. Look at that. Vernier scales 1 any division that when matching to the main scale 1 of the division, in that case we will say VC. So here the sixth division of the vernier scale is matching to one of the division in the main scale. So VC vernier coincidence is 6. Okay. For the case of negative error, what do? You should subtract 10 from 6. 6 minus 10. Look at this. Here is given something. I am telling you 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10 means minus 4. Now minus 4 is your error division. So for error value, multiply again 0.01 centimeter. Therefore 0.04 centimeter with negative sign is your negative value. Children, remember here the sixth division in the positive case matching. Then you can go directly 6 into LC. Then it give you 0.06 is your positive error. But in case of negative, when it lies to the left hand side of main scale 0, the error division here whatever comes the VC, that is 6, that time only in case of negative 0 error you have to subtract 10 from it. So 6 minus 10 gives you 4. Okay, so minus 4 into LC gives you minus 0.04 centimeter. So negative error value will be minus 0.04 centimeter. Children, always error should be written with its sign, either positive 0 error or negative error. Now once you know your device's cause of error, kind of error is positive and negative, how to find out? Knowing the division, converting the error value, all this I covered. Now you can find here, once you know the positive and negative error, correction due to 0 error also you have to adapt. Look at here. In this case of my previous video I have taken this reading. So 9.45 is the observed reading by you. Here you can see now observed reading. I have observed by using this vernier caliper the reading of the length of the cylinder. Length of this cylinder is 9.45. But later I come to know my device has got some error. So to remove the error, I first find out kind of error, whether positive or negative. After knowing the positive and negative error division I have to find. Then error value by multiplying it with LC. With the sign I should write the error, and now to correction due to 0 error, I have to make the 0 correction also. If some error is there in this value, then I must need to make it correction also. So to correct the reading, what I should do? Correct reading equal to observed reading minus 0 error with the sign. That means whatever the observed reading you got it here, from that the zero error must be subtracted with the sign. Its meaning is, if you find for positive error, okay, observed reading is how much? 9.45. If you subtracting the positive error with sign, I said plus 0.06, as we already discussed. Okay, then in that case you have to subtract the error. If positive error, you have to subtract. Okay, then you will get the value. How much it is? 9 point. You can say 1 is drag, means here can 15 minus 6 is 9. So you can find here 39. So this is your final reading after the positive error is being removed. Look at that. This is called your observed reading, and correct reading you will get observed reading minus zero error with the sign. First case, positive error, means positive error has to subtract. But if your device has got negative error, in the negative error case I said you that 9.45 your observed reading minus the zero error with the sign. Minus zero error, how much you got? It is 4. So 4 division means it is minus 0.04. Okay, in this case minus negative reading means automatically it is added. So look at that, 9.45 minus of minus gives you plus, that is 0.04. So you are getting the reading is how much now? 9.49. Look at that. This was the observed reading. In case of negative, in case of positive error, the error is subtracted from the observed reading. But in case of negative error, minus of minus when you writing, because zero error with the sign I said, negative error means negative error sign should come, positive error means positive error sign should come. In this case minus of minus convert into plus. So it is added to your observed reading. Negative error means the error should add it to the observed reading, and positive error means the error should subtract from the observed reading. That is what you find in this case of error due to the zero error correction and how to correct the readings. Okay, remember, if it is positive error, always the value should be added to the observed reading, and negative error means positive error means you have to subtract the reading, and negative error means you have to add the error to the observed reading. So negative means add, positive means subtract, opposite you have to do. Remember. Okay, thank you for observing the video.